This lab is about flexibility assessments. The YMCA sit and reach test. Before beginning the test, make sure you have warmed up for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove your shoes, place the yardstick on the floor, and place a piece of tape on the floor on the 15-inch mark. Place your feet on the edge of the tape 10 to 12 inches apart. As you reach forward, exhale, and make sure your fingers are touching the yardstick. Hold your stretch for 2 seconds and make sure your knees are not bent. The score is categorized in inches, and the test is repeated twice, and the best score is recorded out of the 2 tries. Here's an example. Here you can see my feet are on the edge of the tape and are 10 to 12 inches apart. The yardstick is placed 15 centimeters up the edge of the tape, and I'm reaching forward. I also exhaled as I reached forward. This was my first trial. In the second trial, you can see that I exhale before I reach forward and continue to exhale, and end up with a score of 3 inches, which places me in the need improvement category. Here's a chart that categorizes me. The Thomas test. The Thomas test is a test of hip flexor flexibility. You will lie supine and bring your leg to your chest. If the leg that is on the mat remains straight with the mat, the hip flexors are flexible. This is either a yes or a no score, and the test is administered on both legs. Again, here is another example of the Thomas test. I bring my knee to my chest, and the leg that is on the floor is lying flat, which is a yes. Again, bring my knee to my chest, and the leg that is on the floor is flat, so that is a yes. The Canadian trunk forward flexion test is a test of hamstring and lower back flexibility. I remove my shoes and place my feet up against the box. I reach forward, exhale for 2 seconds, make sure my knees are not bent. The test is scored in centimeters, and the best of 2 trials is recorded. You can see my feet are placed firmly against the box. My knees are not bent, and I exhale as I reach forward, bringing my head down. Here, I had a score of 26 centimeters, which places me in the fair category. Again, second trial. I reach forward, exhaling as I do. Knees aren't bent, feet placed firmly against the box, and I have a score of 27 centimeters, placing me in the good category. Since my second trial was better than my first, I am placed in the good category. The chair sit and reach test is designed for older populations. You will extend one leg with the ankle dorsiflex and the other flat on the floor. Exhale as I reach forward and hold for 2 seconds. The scoring is based on inches. If there's space between your fingers and toes, it's a negative score. If the fingers go past the toes, it's a positive score. And if your fingers just meet your toes, it is a score of 0. So you see one foot is flat against the floor, and the other is extended out with my ankle dorsiflex. My fingers go past my toes, and I end up with a positive score of 5.5 inches. Again, on the other side, foot is flat, and the other flat is extended with my ankle dorsiflex. Again, fingers go past my toes, and I end up with a positive score of 4.5 inches.